Welcome back to HCD 2024 with Falkbuilt and Echo. We're continuing along with our clients' challenges that we see in the built environment. This one here really has to do with wet areas and bathrooms. And this is, again, just like the patient rooms and things like that, can be quite challenging from a coordination standpoint. Well, this is where Falk and Echo come in here, is that we've got a new solution here to respond to these bathrooms, okay? A lot of our clients have been looking at these volumetric and pods. They just don't seem to work. It's for the new builds, it's for creating actual critical pathways to get it into the building, things like that are quite a challenge. Well, we've got a response that will work with renovations, work for their new builds as well too, and save a dramatic amount of time and material in the field, okay? And that's what you see behind me here. This is what we call our Falkton panels. So the assembly of this is quite simple. It follows the same process that any other Falk application does. We put our framing in, we then go ahead and have a backer into the framing. We go ahead and then use what we call our Falkton panel. Okay, this is a engineered stone, large format tile that you see behind me here. Okay, now the beauty of this is this shows up to the job site just like any one of our Falk cladding panels on a waterproof backer here, just a very thin, large format tile. Now this goes in and actually snaps onto our framing, comes pre-cut, ready to go for that field dimension, right? So it makes it very simple for that installation point. Now what we do is we're able to then have minimal amount of grout lines here. This makes a big difference here, reducing those failure points into the space, okay? This allows us to go in, put a secondary water barrier in here, and then do either grouts or silicone out there in the field. You're now able to go ahead and complete a whole shower or bathroom in a matter of hours, right? So this really simplifies that process, okay? It allows us to respond those elements of a shower, a patient bathroom, being able to completely outfit it and respond to the different flooring conditions, right down to tile, doing prefabricated shower pans, or going into integral or epoxy cove. So this, again, allows us to be able to adapt to our clients' needs and be able to supply something that works incredibly well. This also has a potential beyond the bathrooms here as well. Think about using it for elevator lobbies, any kind of focal points or feature walls. Again, using our same application here of our Falk limation here can also be used in this type of environment as well too. So being able to use them in wet areas, but also the lobbies and responses to, again, graphics, wayfinding, branding, and things like that as well too. So this is, again, just another innovation that we're going through here at Falkbuilt here today.